Topstep promo codes how to save up to 80% on Topstep. Want to save up to 50% on Topstep trading combines? Here's how to use promo codes. So, first and foremost, go to topstep.com. Head to topstep.com and choose your trading combine account size. Now, after that, at checkout, enter a verified code like onward40 or the official 30% off code. Watch your price drop instantly. Some codes save up to 50%. Confirm the discount is applied before completing your payment. And that's it. Use Top Step promo codes to save big on your trading combine today.